All right, hello everyone. This will be a little project breakdown of my file uploader project that I recently completed. So basically what the project is that users can log in, they can create folders, they can upload files into those folders. Files can be uploaded into the cloud using cloud-based storage. They can also delete the folders, edit the folders' names. And last, folders are going to be unique to each different user. So if a different user logs in, it will only show folders associated with that user. Technologies used to complete the project would be Node.js, PostgreSQL, Multer middleware for handling file uploads, and EJS templates for styling. So I know the project isn't, or the user interface isn't the prettiest, but is more of a chance to practice a lot of those core backend concepts. So I'll get started with the demo here. First, we have to create a user. I'll keep it simple and just make it user one. All right, so then now we'll log in now, and there's going to be some authentication and checks here. So let's say enter incorrect username. Yep, so we're greeted with that error message there. And I can do the same thing for password. Enter one character too many, and I get incorrect password there. So there is some validation and checks going on there. So now I log in normally. I'm greeted with a message there. So now we can view all folders. We don't have any yet, so now it's a good time to create some. So we'll be uploading some pictures of dogs and cats. So I'll create a dogs folder. There we go. Now I view my folders. I can key into it there. We have no files into that folder yet, so we're going to create some now. We also have the option to delete it and edit the folder name. We'll edit the folder name now. I'll just make it dogs folder. Let's upload some files into it. All right, so I have a couple of different options here. All right, so two different dog pictures. So now if I key into the folder's name, click on the folder name, I get the name of the folder, the file name, when it's created, the file size. I have an option to download it, which it will. I can upload the file into the cloud, which I'm greeted with a success or error message, and I can also delete the file. So now I'm only left with one file. So if I go back, let's create another folder. And this one will be cats. All right, so now I have two different folders in there. Again, I can delete the folder or I can edit the folder name. I'll do that one more time, changing it to cats folder. All right, so now I can upload some files into it. I have two different cat images. Yep, I have a little success message that appears below the button. We're going to upload one more cat image. So now if I click on the folder's name, I get, the name, the file name, created at. Again, I can download. I can upload the file into the cloud. And I can also delete the file. Yep, so now we have no files in the folder. Last thing I want to show, again, folders are going to be unique to each user. So if I go back to home and I log out, I create another user called user2. And I'll log in again, user2. Okay, I view my folders. No, we don't have any, so now let's create one for user2. We can just call it folder 1. Great, we should have only one folder. Boom, there it is. Okay, so if I go back to home, let's say I log out again. So folders are unique to each user. I can log in as user 1 again, and I still should see the two folders that the user 1 created. And bam, there it is. You delete the folders, like so. Back to home, I can log out, and that is it there. Learned a lot of core backend concepts in this project, had a lot of fun, and that will conclude the tutorial here. Thank you very much. Have a good day.